You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, very commonly used in France, meaning have a good day. This is what you say when you leave somebody and you want to say, see you later, have a good day. Bonne journée is how you pronounce it. Bonne, meaning good. Journée is a bit like a day, but it's the part of the day when you're awake. So it's the entire daylight day, if you wish, so which is a little bit different from just jour, which is just literally a 24-hour day. Bonne journée is how you say it. Bonne journée. In English, you could say it as bonne journée. Bonne journée. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.